Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about 10 things rich people do and you can do too. These tips will help you develop the right mindset to achieve your financial goals, so let's get started. Number 1. They set clear goals and make plans to achieve them. Rich people know what they want, and they create a roadmap to get there. They break their goals into manageable steps and develop a plan to reach them. Take some time to think about your long-term financial goals and break them down into smaller, achievable milestones. Write them down and refer to them often to stay motivated and focused. Number 2. They prioritize education and continuous learning. Education is key to success, and rich people know this. They invest in themselves by taking courses, attending seminars, and reading books on topics that interest them. By continuously learning, they can stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions. Personally, I prefer to learn by watching YouTube videos and listening to audiobooks. There is plenty of knowledge to be gained out there, so go and find it. Number 3. They surround themselves with successful people. Wealthy individuals seek out mentors, advisors, and peers who have achieved a similar level of success. By learning from their experiences and building relationships, they can advance their goals. Surround yourself with people who support your vision and encourage your growth. Avoid people who would bring you down. They add nothing valuable to your life. Number 4. They take calculated risks. Building wealth often requires taking risks, but rich people don't just jump into things blindly. They do their research, weigh the pros and cons, and make informed decisions based on data and analysis. Don't be afraid to take risks, but make sure you do your due diligence first. Take your time to research and avoid get-rich-quick schemes as they can be dangerous. Number 5. They are willing to work hard and put in the effort. Contrary to popular belief, most wealthy individuals did not become rich overnight. They put in years of hard work, dedication, and sacrifice to achieve their goals. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep pushing yourself to achieve your dreams. Number 6. They save and invest wisely. Rich people are disciplined with their money and prioritize saving and investing in assets that will appreciate over time. They seek out expert advice and diversify their portfolio to minimize risk. Take some time to review your finances, create a budget, and set aside money for savings and investments. There are a number of great videos on YouTube that can help you get started. Number 7. They prioritize their health and wellness. Successful people understand that their physical and mental health are crucial for achieving their goals. They exercise regularly, eat well, and prioritize self-care to maintain their energy and focus. Make sure you take care of yourself, both physically and mentally. Number 8. They give back to their communities. Many rich people are passionate about making a positive impact on the world around them, and they donate their time and money to charitable causes that align with their values. Find a cause that you're passionate about and get involved. Not only will you be making a difference, but you'll also be building relationships and connections. Number 9. They stay focused and avoid distractions. Rich people often have a laser-like focus on their goals, and they minimize distractions that could derail their progress. They use tools like time management and prioritization to stay on track. Stay focused on your goals, and don't let distractions get in your way. Number 10. They maintain a positive mindset and attitude. Finally, many wealthy individuals have a strong belief in themselves and their ability to achieve their goals. They maintain a positive outlook and surround themselves with people who support their vision and encourage their growth. Believe in yourself and your ability to achieve your dreams. Stay positive, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. That's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And if you found it helpful, make sure to let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.